Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim, powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with power deployable running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in, especially with the lift kit installed, giving you quite a bit of extra height. The pocket style fender flares, the custom steel front bumper, and the grille with extra lights in there. Aftermarket headlights there as well. Vent shades on the windows, and the FX4 package, which is irrelevant because the suspension has been replaced for the lift kit, but you do still have some skid plates underneath from that. But let's take a look inside. And looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal a collapsible storage box underneath, and can also be locked at the hinge. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle with a 12-volt, two USBs, 110-volt power outlet, and heated rear outboard seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 125,183 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. Then your truck info with your gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, DEF status, DEF's filter status, engine info, transmission temperature. Then you have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and CD and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and a heated steering wheel, Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, mobile apps, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, and you have a premium Sony sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller, and on the right you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Down below, you have this compartment with two USBs, so you can plug something in from there. And then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. And then onto your center console area, where you have two cup holders that can be turned into four, as well as a lockable center compartment / armrest with a ton of room inside, including another 12-volt. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and looking up, you have 6 upfitter switches. Be wired up however you please, and last but not least, a twin panel moonroof so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.